Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 8th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yesterday I spoke rather disparagingly of this market, and I called it down, and I said I was pretty disappointed with the way things closed yesterday, and I didn't have much hope for anything, and certainly no hope for a turnaround day. Well, I was dead wrong. I apologize to dear old Dow Jones Industrial Average. I really had it all wrong. We had a turnaround day today, and of course it came at the least expected time for me, but then again, that's the way turnaround days happen. They always come when you least expect it. So it's like manna from heaven, and we had it today. We closed out positive $24,000, and we are carrying positive $11,000 going into tomorrow. Pretty unbelievable. You know, yesterday I was all upset about this hook at the end of the day, and you can look here and see what happened. This thing just screamed. It screamed right at the beginning, and then it held up very nicely all day. I mean, we just had nothing that went wrong today. Everything was very stable, and we definitely cleaned up. So I'm very pleased about that. There's not much else to say, but except, you know, we needed a turnaround day, and it's kind of a reminder to me that stick with the system. You know, I modified things just a little bit a couple days ago and ended up saving a lot of money on that, but at the same time, yesterday it was real hard for me to get back in and start taking trades again and feel right about it. And that's the problem with not following the system. If you just say, I'm going to follow it, I'm going to follow it, I'm going to follow it, then you're always there for days like today. And it was a great one today. Let me show you a couple, I'll show you three of the trades. This first one is REPH, which is Recro Pharma. And this is a new stock for us. It's as thin as Twiggy, but it's pretty good. Of course, all our drug stocks have been good, but we jumped into this thing right after the open, and it kept going, and we are holding over $4,000 in open trade equity in Recro Pharma. But believe me, it doesn't stop there. This next one is another drug company, Agios Pharmaceuticals. We had bought that yesterday at midday. Didn't do too much on the close, but it really blasted off this morning, and because it blasted off, we hang on to it. We basically got a invisible re-entry in here, and so we're hanging on to this. And man, when this thing closes, what up there? Almost high tick of the day. We are holding $8,000 in open trade equity in Agios Pharmaceuticals. And then the last one I want to show you. Let's have a little drum roll on this. Oh, this isn't what I wanted. If Bob can find the right page. Let's see, there we are. Sorry about that. Okay, here we are. Yelp, Yelp, Yelp. This was just unbelievable. We got into this yesterday on what now looks like nothing. I had people emailing me, are you an insider? Did you have inside information? And of course that's just a joke. I don't talk to anybody. But what our system will sometimes do is detect insider buying. And that's exactly what happened here. We detected insider buying. It jumped in there. I didn't think anything. I wasn't even watching it. And then the news broke. It was acquisition news. Yelp just takes off like a bird. And it even goes higher on the open this morning. Hey, we're getting out almost at the top there. I mean, we're almost hit the top of that move. And what do we get out of that trade? We get over $16,000 profit. $16,000 profit is definitely the best trade that we have had in 2015, and it could not have come at a better time. Just fantastic time for us. So, Yelp, Yelp, Yelp. We had a great one. And that's about all I can say. Hey, Trader Bob's going to have a good weekend. And I hope you guys have a great weekend too. I'll be back online on Monday.